What's up guys, FPV here, and today I'm super excited because FPVCRATE actually has started doing sub-250 subscription boxes. Now these are boxes that pretty much aim to be 3-inch or smaller, so pretty much over a 6-month time span you should be able to build yourself like a 3-inch quad. It's pretty much their goal. So I'll be leaving a link, it will be an affiliate link down below if you want to help support the channel and pick up one of these boxes. I think they're around $45, I believe, a month, if I'm not mistaken. Leave a comment down below if you know exactly the prices, and leave a comment down below as well of what you thought of this month's box. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing. This is for July 2020 for the Sub250 FPVCRATE box. All right. Got some foam. It's a little cheat sheet to make sure I got everything that was supposed to be in the box. And looks like we got some Xylo stickers. Props out, props in. Neat. Let me go zoom in because these boxes are a little smaller than the other ones. We also have, this looks like 3 sets. So 3 sets of 3x3x3 light green HQ props. Always use some 3-inch props. I only think I have a couple 3-inch quads, so that's why I really wanted to subscribe to this box. And looks like this is for their boost, or whatever you want to call it, their main item for the month. Looks like it's a T-Motor Mini F7 HD version with OSD and VTX switch. So that's pretty impressive. So we got it right there. Nice little board. So I guess we're going to be maybe getting an ESC maybe in the future. I've also noticed this too. I was looking at this. There is a picture of a small little 3-inch quadcopter there. So maybe that's a hint to maybe next month's box. I don't know. But yeah, so that should do it for July 2020 of the, what is this thing called? Sub250 FPVCRATE box for your micros. If you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, go ahead. I'll be doing these every month. As long as I can do them. I also do quad box and FPVCRATE as well. So stay tuned to the channel. And if you are interested in anything FPV related, go ahead and also check out my links and everything else down below. But I appreciate you guys watching, and this is FPV, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.